Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and do remember to subscribe and like my videos. Guys, I've created beautiful jilbab, khimar and abayas for you in this tutorial. We are just going to see the styles and designs, and I believe these are styles you should consider having in your wardrobe in 2024. And I have a good news for you guys. The good news is that we have an upcoming Jilbab, Khimar and Abaya class for those who want to learn how to make modest wears. This class is for beginners, intermediate and advanced designers who want to upskill their work. So guys, this is a class you should consider to register and participate in. This beautiful jilbab you see on your screen right now is among the jilbab you will learn in this class, and among many other beautiful open front abaya designs you will learn in this class. To our old subscribers, thank you for sticking around. Do remember to like our videos and give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment. So if you want to join this class and you want to make some enquiries, you can send us a message via the link in the description box, and you can make your payment wherever you are. And if you see this tutorial after the scheduled date for the tutorial, which is 18th of February, you can still reach out to register, as the course material and the whole course itself will be available to access from that 18th of February till forever. So whatever time you see this tutorial, you can reach out to register for the class. This beautiful abaya you are seeing on your screen right now is among the abaya you will learn in this class. So if you want to become your own boss or a modest fashion designer in this 2024, this is a class you should consider. And guys, you will also learn how to use your tape measure to take your accurate measurements for both your abayas, jilbab and khimar. So do remember, do ensure to check this class. Also, I'll be leaving the details of what you will learn in this particular class in the description box. If you have issue making payment for this class, you can send us a message. You can send us a message on WhatsApp, or you can send us a message via our email. This is the flyer for the class, and all the requirements and everything you need to know about the class is written on the flyer. But then I will still leave the detailed information about the class in the description box. So guys, do ensure to watch this video till the end. Remember to watch the ads displayed on your screen, and you can also gift us thanks, leave a comment, and please tell your friends and loved ones about our class. I'll be leaving the link to the class also in the description box, where you can easily share the class flyer to your friends and loved ones, and also help us to share it on your social media platforms as well. So guys, without wasting much of your time, you can start making payments for this class any moment from now. As you see this video, whatever time you see this video, you can start making your payment. And do ensure to send us a message to confirm your payment as well. Remember, if you have any issue making your payment, send us a message on WhatsApp or via our email to let us know, so that we can guide you on how to make your payments also. So guys, happy new year to you guys. May this new year be filled with good news. Oh, it's not new year yet, but we are preparing. So guys, see you in 2024. I love you guys. Ensure to watch this video till the end and watch the ads displayed on your screen. Like this video and leave a comment. See you. Bye.